Erika, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I bleach my hair from black to blonde. I will be starting out using the Ion Color Brilliance Bright White Cream Lightener, 8 levels of lift. I bought this from Sally Beauty Supply, but I will leave everything in the description box. Next, I'm using the Clairol Professional Soy 4-Plex Pure White Cream Developer in the 30 volume. I am going to mix that with the Bright White Lightener. Next, I have a plastic bag. You can have one or two. I believe I might just use one. Next is a Clariol Professional Shimmer Light Shampoo for blonde and silver. I will be using this to wash my hair after the bleach has set in and I'm ready to bleach my hair. Bought this from my local beauty supply. Also from the local beauty supply is the Superstar 20 volume. You can get any brand. The 20 volume will go in for the toner that I will be using, which is the Wella Color Tango Permanent Color Toner. I got this from Sally Beauty in the color CT15, which is Cafe Au Lait. And I'm going to mix that with the 20 volume developer after I bleach. Next, I'm using the Henna and Placenta Super Strength Conditioning Treatment. I'll be using this to condition my hair after I wash out the bleach. I'll let this sit in my hair for I've used this for a few times in the past. Next, you need a brush, a dye brush, and a bowl. My bowl I got from Sally, and the brush I've had for a long time. So first, I'm going to take the developer. I'm squeezing it into the bowl. I'm doing about 2 ounces. There are lines inside the bowl to tell me. I'm kind of winging it at the same time too. I'm trying to put as much as it has on the line, but since it's a cream, it's hard to tell. I'm taking the 30 volume and I'm mixing that with the lightener. Here I'm mixing it up. Mixing it with that end was not helping. So you'll see that I'll start mixing it with the brush end. I needed to add a little bit more because it wasn't at the consistency I wanted. And here's the consistency I wanted to be at. Not droopy, but just at a nice paste. So here's the application process. What mistake I did, number one, I'm not using gloves. Please use gloves. This is chemicals you're working with. It can burn you. It could, do anything to you. So please use gloves. Second thing is I didn't comb my hair right away. So you'll see me picking out my hair now. But before I started applying, I did not comb my hair out, which worked out in the end. But comb your hair out first prior to applying. And here I'm just applying everything all over my head. And yeah, you'll just see what I do in the process. You'll see me making all kinds of faces because this is actually difficult to do by yourself and it's strong. So be careful when you're using it. This is what it all applied. It maybe took me about a good 8 to 10 minutes to apply. You can see the back looks a little patchy where you can still see some black. That's where I didn't comb at. So here I am combing through. Now, I would not suggest necessarily combing through this because as I was doing it, you could just feel the chemical working in the hair and just how it did not feel good combing it. But I was very careful not to tug on my hair, and if I was tugging, I would just pull the comb out and go back over it. And the leftover bleach that I had on the comb, I just smoothed it back on my hair, and as you can see, I'll be smoothing it back and letting it sit for a few more minutes till it gets to the desired color that I want before I wash it out. Here I am. Again, this is after it's all combed out. It's pretty much good to my liking. I still got a few spots where it's a little dark, but I'm going to put the cap on my head and let that do its thing for 30 minutes. Now, in the 30 minutes, I believe I've counted the 10 already that I've done. So here I'm checking my hair to see what it looks like. I was singing. I don't know why I was singing, but you can see me singing Daniel Caesar. But even though I had some spots, you can see that it all turned out to be okay. Again, this is something, don't do this unless you have gloves on. I don't know why I'm doing this without gloves on. I guess I was just so anxious to get it done. So I kept that in my hair. I I think again another 10 minutes, or I still had 10 minutes left. I can't remember. So here I am getting ready to wash it out with the Shimmer Light shampoo, which is for blonde and silver. And this is what I got after washing it out. Here I am putting the shampoo in. So that was just me washing the bleach out. Here I am actually shampooing my hair, and it is purple. I've seen videos and heard that, you know, if you leave it in too long, it could stain your hair because it's purple. But I just went on ahead and did what I saw watching different YouTube videos. I am not a professional whatsoever. I like to take risks and do things with my hair. And here it is with the shampoo rinsed out. It's a little golden yellow. I look like Goldilocks, and my hair actually looks like baby doll hair. Like the way the curls look and just how blonde it is. Now you can see in the back, right where I'm rubbing, is that patch where I did not comb prior to application. But I'm still, again, I'm not too mad at it. This was just kind of like a test run just to see how I would enjoy bleaching my hair and rocking blonde for a little bit. In the future, I will be doing red. So here I'm getting ready to put in the color Tango, mix it in with 2 ounces of the 20 volume developer. So I put the whole cream developer or cream toner in, and then half the bottle of the 20 volume developer. I'm going to mix that together, and this is to tone out all that brassy, kind of ashy yellow gold. My hair almost looks like a trumpet right now about how brassy it is. This stuff is strong. I think it's stronger than the cream developer lightener itself. It's very, very strong. So again, be careful when you're not only applying it, but just be aware of your surroundings. Have a door open, or try to do it in an area where you get good ventilation. So I'm going to apply the whole bowl all over my head. It's not as much as a lightener is, or it's not much in the bowl as it was with the lightener. So I'm just going to put this all over my head and let it sit. 20 minutes. That's how much I'm letting it sit for. I'm going to put the plastic bag over my head and let it do its magic. 20 minutes later, this is what it looks like. It actually looks a little purple compared to almost the shampoo that I use. And based on the color I saw, I was very excited what the color was looking like. Most of the girls I see on YouTube use the T, I think 18. This is the T15. I seen a girl on YouTube use the T15, and I had just liked the color that came out. And this is what the color looks like after the toner. Gives a nice little red golden tone to it. Eventually this does die down and it does become a little more blonde, and in the future I will have another video showing what my hair looks now before I bleach it or color it red. Next, I'm putting in the conditioning treatment, the Henna and Placenta. I'm using the super strength. There are different types of strength or conditioner here, but I'm using a super strength just because I thought I needed it. Now, after washing my hair out, my hair did feel super dry. Now, bleaching will dry your hair out because it's a chemical process. So I put the whole packet in my hair, let it sit for 10 minutes prior to washing it out. And here it's 10 minutes has been up, and after putting this in, like, my hair feels so much better. Like, it's really scary to bleach your hair because you're thinking like maybe your hair is going to fall out or it's just going to be so brittle once you touch it. But my hair felt good after putting the conditioner in. So make sure you do some type of deep treatment or deep conditioner after you bleach your hair. And my curls are still intact. I didn't over process it. So I'm pretty much happy with what I got. So next are the products that I use daily. Now, since my hair was already wet, I didn't show the first part, but here I'm using the Dew Cream Twist and Curl Cream. I got that from Target. It has coconut oil in it and a lot of other benefits in it. I really like this because it really does get my curls popping. After this, I did use the Clairol leave-in, but this cream, that wasn't giving me the popping curls I wanted like that cream did. Next, I'm using African Pride Growth Oil Treatment, and I probably should stop using this, not because it doesn't work, But because my hair is growing back faster than I want it to, like it seems like I have to keep my hair cut every week and a half, 2 weeks on site to keep it short without the new growth growing back into the blonde. So, but this is really good. It has olive and tea tree oil in it, and it's really good. I use the lock combo, the liquid oil cream, but I switch it up from liquid cream to oil. So once I put the cream in my hair, I'll put the oil over top of it to lock in that cream. I take my sponge, I brush my hair through to get those curls popping 10. And again, my curls are still there even after bleaching my hair. This isn't the first time I've bleached my hair, but this is the first time I've bleached my whole head. And I'm pretty satisfied with the results. I didn't show what my hair would look like dry. I'll probably do that in a future video. So if you like what you see, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this with other people, or even try it on yourself and let me know how it is. So again, thanks for watching my channel, and as always, be unapologetically selfish in the pursuit of happiness. As always, peace and happiness. Bye guys.
Ryan Little.